how do your clients find you? By referrals or by online mediums, or
Right.
how?
So it's basically by referrals only.
Yeah.
So there's again a very interesting story. There's a friend of mine. I did some work for her, and she was reluctant. She was already working with some other lawyer, and she knew me. We had an acquaintance, and I could see that she was, she was not in a good space, and she was struggling with the lawyer. So I told her that, look, you're facing this, and I think let's do this petition, and I am very, very hopeful that we will have some sort of results there. She reluctantly agreed, and we filed a case there. And you won't believe, she was struggling from 2 years, and we got the order within 2 effective hearings. What happened resultantly was that she referred me to one of his cousin. I did some work for his cousin. His cousin referred me to one of his friend. I did some work for his friend. He in turn referred me to someone else. So that's how your network and your practice will grow. It is only with satisfied clients that your work is going to grow in litigation.
Okay, so can you give us 4 or 5 pointers at how you serve your clients? What are the standards you have set for yourself that this and this I am going to do for it, and no matter what?
Right. So first and foremost is that you should be ruthlessly committed to ensure that your client's interest is served.
Okay.
That is first and the foremost. Second is that you don't need to take any case lightly. You need to give your 100% in every case that you are handling. Third is that you need to ensure that you remain very, very authentic with your client. Whatever has happened, you should tell your client exactly what has happened. I've seen people manipulating their clients, and they don't give exact account of what has happened in the court, what has transpired in the court. So remaining authentic to your client is extremely, extremely crucial. And see your client as as a means to have everything that you want, because ultimately in a profession you are serving your client. Okay. If you're trying to fool around with your client, it's going to come back to you, because if you're doing any wrong thing with any particular client, he will tell this thing to 10 other guys. On the other hand, if you go extra mile for the client, and if you're standing with the client and you are absolutely interested in protecting his interest, he will bring 10 other people, and he will he will be yours forever.
Absolutely.
So yeah, these are few things which helps you in expanding your work. And also, if you are diligently handling your case, you get a repo in the court also, because the judges also notice that here is a lawyer who is prepared, and he is doing his job very diligently. He is not missing on anything, and that's how your standing in the court also gets improved.
Yeah. So being industrious and being upbeat with the client and being honest. If you are failing, tell the client that we might fail.
Correct.
Don't promise the moon, because those who did so, it is bound to happen that they will one day disappear from the practice. And no clients or anyone by their side.
Right. So I've read a quote somewhere that you need to be a farmer. You don't need to be a hunter. Okay. So building your practice is like you're farming, and you need to water it every day. You need to put in effort every day. So if you become a hunter, you can hunt one, but ultimately that's not how you gonna grow in career.
One follow-up question, sir. So what was it